Hi there, I will show you how to make troll face edits. First, download a troll face, then drag it to the part where you want it to come on your video. After that, go to Effects and get the Rebound Swing effect, and make the strength 10, the size 5, and the speed 100. Get Black Flash 2, and make sure the twist is 0, the strength is 100, the size is 20, and the speed 100. Go to Filters and get the black gold filter and drag it above the rest of the effects. Then put some audio and then watch the video, and if it's not good enough, make some adjustments. Shake to transition for 0.1 seconds. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.